Can the M3 Air also replace a large capacity hard drive? This is a question that many customers have asked me recently. Now let's test it out. See if it rolls over. The original configuration is M3 Air, 8G256G hard drive. Read and write speed test before expansion. Write 2100, read 2782. Remove the back cover screw. Pull off the back cover. You can see it. The internal layout is very similar to Mr. Air. Remove the main board fixing screws. Take the main board. Compare with the main board of the M2 Air. The appearance size is almost similar. There is a small port on the left side of the M3 Air. The appearance of the interface in all other locations is the same. Remove shields from both main boards. M2 and M3 main board components layout. The locations are also very similar. The appearance of the M3 hard drive looks slightly smaller. Now we start to give this M3 main board. Conduct a hard disk expansion test. Remove the hard disk of 0 and 1 bit in turn. Clean up the pads. Plant the board for the new hard drive to be installed. Study installing the hard disk to the corresponding 0 and 1 bits of the main board. Installed. Clean and seal. All the preparations are in place. Install main board case. Start, double-click test. The screen actually shows. Conduct a simple activation test. Under the system, confirm that the hard disk capacity has been 2 TB. Do another read and write speed test. Write 4099, read 2995.